As I mentioned before, when you are defining any specific data type, we allocating the memory size inside of RAM, and we have some specific value range. For example, the byte, it's take only 1 byte of your memory, and the range is between 0 to 255. The integer, also it is the whole number. It takes 2 bytes from negative 32,000 to positive approximately 32,000 positive. And note that you might confuse and ask when we could use as an example integer, why we need to use bytes. There are a number of reasons for that. First of all, it is optimized and take less memory. Of course, on small macros, it doesn't matter, but if you're making very large program or VBA macro, it is important. Secondly, with this method, you could control the value range, and if it is exceeding of your maximum range, you will get error and you could realize it's something wrong here. Anyway, byte, integer, and long, they are the whole number, single and double, and also we have decimal. They are decimal with the point numbers. And we have some other values such as date, currency, different type of string, object, and boolean. You're already familiar with boolean. I mentioned before, it could be 0 or 1, true or false, which takes 2 bytes. And we have variants, which I mentioned before. If you don't define or specify variable type when you're defining, get the variant, and as you see, it takes at least 16 bytes, which it is too much. Actually, this bytes should be with capital B, because small b it is for bits. Anyway, we could use different types to store different memories inside of that. On the future, we will use variables much more, and you will get more familiar and why exactly we need to use them.